I charge my car every night when I get home from work or picking my kid up from daycare. My charging setup is a kind of trickle charge, so it takes a while, but usually I'm filled up by sometime in the middle of the night. Occasionally, if I go on a long trip or I have to travel somewhere for a meeting for work, I'll need to stop by a public charging station and charge faster to get me back up to full charge.
Yeah, when I'm ready to charge, I'll go down to Springfield Mall and I will read the news. I will take some phone calls for work if I have to, go shop at the mall, had a meal there. It's convenience, and that's where a lot of the chargers are.